Hey there, it's Kim, kimandperry.com. I just want to take a really fast minute and show you how to make a filter in Bqool that will help you to catch items that are not repricing when they should be and when you thought they were. So what you do is you come in here and go down on your left sidebar and choose under repricing to see items where the repricing is paused. And then also under quantity, choose items where you have a quantity of 1 to 999. So this way you're only going to see items that actually, SKUs that actually have inventory in stock at Amazon and they're not repricing. That's a problem, right? You don't want that to happen. So instead of clicking search, click save as favorite filter, and then you will have the opportunity to give it a name, which I already did. Mine is called paused with inventory. And once you hit the save button on that, you will come up here and you'll see that filter in your list of favorite filters. If you want to use it regularly, you can move it up the list. If you want to change the name on it or even change the settings, you can edit it. But the big thing that you can do here is click on that, ideally every day, maybe every couple of days, just to see what kind of unexpected issues you have. See, look at me. Why do I have these listings? What is that, 10 listings? Why do I have 10 listings with inventory sitting at Amazon that are not actively repricing? I wouldn't have known about that problem if I hadn't created this filter and popped in here to check it. So I recommend you make that filter. I recommend that you check it regularly, maybe every time that you come in to add mins and maxes to your new SKUs, just to stay on top of things. If that's a useful tip, I hope you will subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have other questions, especially about Bqool, but about anything FBA related, because I love helping people. It's a lot of fun.